Hi friends, and welcome to Goma at Home. We're here in Ormoc City, and today I'm preparing for you Basil Pesto Sauce for our linguine pasta. And the ingredients are so easy. This is one of the easiest sauces to make, no? You need your Parmesan cheese, you need your pine nuts, garlic, olive oil, salt, pepper, and of course, fresh basil. There's nothing like fresh pesto, no? Kasi marami nabibili sa grocery, yan, nakalata na or nakabote. And it's always nice to make your own pesto sauce, okay? So from here, wala pa yung basil leaves natin. We'll go to the garden at meron akong tanim na basil doon. Come on. Puro backyard gardening lang to. The nice thing about backyard gardening, anytime you want to cook, you have your herbs here. So ito, basil. This is what we'll use for our basil pesto sauce, no? Siguro we'll get about a cup and a half or 2 cups of basil. Ganda, oh. Kapal, oh. Wow, beautiful. Sabi nga nila, nakaka-happy sa basil pag medyo minsan naputol na yung branch niya. Like for example, ito naputol na siya, no? That's sa ulan, ganun. You can just cut it, you know, then open it a little sa gilid. And then later on, itanim mo lang dito. Tutubo na sa mabuhay siya, like this one. Ito, puros mga cuttings lang to. Naputol doon, so yun. Ilagay ko na sa lupa dyan. Later on, ito, we'll reserve this for planting later. So we have our basil leaves. Gagawin natin ngayon, kailangan hugasan natin. Let's wash this thoroughly. No. So after washing your basil, what you do is that tagalin mo lang yung leaves niya. Isa-isahin mo lang siya. You know what's nice about basil pesto? It's so easy to make. Simple ingredients. Fresh, no? Tapos ang gagawin mo lang, ilalagay mo lang to sa mainit na pasta, bagong lutong pasta. And you're done. Then just sprinkle some fresh parmesan. That's it. So ngayon, we'll prepare about let's say 2 cups of basil leaves. In fact, yung basil, alam mo, kainin mo lang na ganyan. Or, pwede rin itong tea. Just infuse it in hot water, then you have basil tea. So we have our basil leaves, and then next, gawin natin, ito-toast natin yung pine nuts, no? And while we're toasting that, magpakulo ka na ng water. So there you go. Boiling hot water for our pasta. Put lots of salt. Just let it boil. So we'll toast our pine nuts. How many is this? About 3 tablespoons of pine nuts. A little more. Haluin natin. Remember, when you're toasting pine nuts, mabilis lang ito mag-toast, no? Medium heat lang yan, no? You can see, oh, mabilis yung mag-toast. You have to keep on shaking it and stirring it para hindi masunog. And you can smell pine nuts. Bang. Toast it well para medyo parang napi yung flavor ng ating ng pesto sauce. It's brown. Turn the heat off. Lagyan natin sa bowl. There you go. Got some garlic. Siguro we'll use about 3 cloves. Then the rest, tabi lang natin. Put it here. Okay. Yung skin, hindi natin kailangan yan. Tanggalin natin yan. And then let's just crush it a little lang, just to take out the skin. Itong pesto sauce na to, may mga restaurants talaga, mga specialty Italian restaurants, they will prepare pesto in front of you. Yung nakita ko sa mga restaurants na ginagawa nila, gagawin natin today. What do we do now? We assemble our pesto. Lagyan lang natin sa food processor. So basil leaves. And then all you have to do is just drop all of them inside. And pine nuts. Up. Then 3 cloves of garlic. Put a little salt for taste. A little more. Some pepper. Freshly ground pepper is the best. Para you get full flavor of the... You can put a lot. I like putting a lot of pepper. I love pepper in my food. After that, some grated Parmesan cheese. Ang daling i-prepare. Lalagay mo na lang sa food processor. And once it's creamy, okay na siya. Ready to go ka na. Okay. There you go. Put some olive oil. So yung oil mo, yung pinaka-binder sa lahat ng ingredients na. So, before we start that, make sure yung mainit na yung water mo. And then, lalagay na natin yung linguine. Ganun lang kabilis. This one, linguine, so mga ganito, should cook in about 8 minutes. And then you're done. Kumukulo na. And just drop this in. Spread it. Kumukulo yung tubig. Tapos scatter mo siya para hindi dumikit yung pasta. So we're cooking this. Then by the time na mag-blend na natin ito lahat, ma-process natin siya, luto na siya. Then pour this in a big plate. And then lagay mo yung pesto sauce. And you're done. So you leave this in a while. I-blend na natin ito. Mabilis lang to. Pulse lang to. Ayan. Check it out. Kumana sa side. Lagyan mo lang ulit din sa loob para pino lang siya. And then let's try it. Para lang natin kung masarap talaga. Sarap! Okay. Whew. Love this! Hintayin lang natin matapos yung pasta natin. We're ready to go. Tama lang yung salt niya. Let's look for a plate. 4 minutes. Pag wala kang pine nuts, ang alternative mo, pwede gumamit ng walnut. Or maybe hazelnuts. Pwede rin. Or macadamia. Kasi macadamia, in a way, it's also oily and it's soft pag pinoses mo siya. Turn the heat off. Then harvest your pasta. Oh, now it's beautiful. Prepare natin siya. Take this out. Lagyan natin yung blade. And then, ilagyan natin yung pesto sauce natin. Let's blend it in. Wow. Look at that. Spread it. Oh. Add some Parmesan cheese. Linguine pasta with fresh Basil Pesto Sauce. Let's try this. Harap. So fresh. Al dente yung pasta. It's like a taste of heaven in Ormoc City. Thank you for watching Goma at Home. And if you like this recipe, tag me and subscribe sa aking YouTube page. Okay? Sarap. Let's eat some more. Can't stop eating. It's so fresh.